This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Veronica Konovalchuk. Price to sell. Great for investors. This home features a big fenced backyard with a gate, workshop and a shed. 3 bedrooms, one of which has a bonus room, keyed lock on the door, a half bath and a slide door going to the backyard, perfect for a roommate. 4th bedroom is converted, has a door going outside as well but no central air conditioner. Roof was replaced 2016, electrical panel 2015. Great location, just minutes away from new Port Richey downtown, Aquatic and Recreation Center, shopping and a hospital. For more information, review the details below or contact Veronica Konovalchuk at 888-668-8283.